Hey everybody, the first video I showed you guys how to make lotus root soup. In the second video, I added chicken to the soup. Today, I'm going to add another twist on things. I'm going to take my lotus root soup base. I'm just going to take the water, basically, the soup. And I'm going to mix it with some more chicken. And I'm going to add noodles. This packaged noodles that I bought from the Asian grocery store. This is actually fresh noodle with mushroom sauce and an egg too. And of course I got some veggies. So let's get started. Take this soup broth and put it in the soup. I'm going to add the noodles, veggies, just a little bit. Then I'm going to add an egg. The egg has been added right over here. It's going to take a little bit. This chicken is still frozen solid. And here's the finished product. Egg and chicken noodle soup with lotus roots. Thanks for watching.